You've tried taping, banding, clipping, even stapling food bags closed, but air still gets in, so food still loses freshness. What a waste of money. There must be a better way. Well, now there is. Introducing Better Sealer, the reusable sealer that locks the stale out and keeps the fresh in. Better Sealer's a snap to use. Simply place the bag along the freshness tube and snap the seal shut.
Even with my arthritis, the Better Sealer is a snap to use.
Better Sealer works best because it makes the bag airtight and watertight, so everything stays fresh for months. How tight is the seal? This expensive computer was placed in a plastic bag sealed with the Better Sealer and dropped in a fish tank. The Better Sealer kept it watertight and airtight. Amazing! It creates airtight closures that contain odors, and it's the best way to prevent freezer burn. So whether you're keeping fruit fresh, packing a picnic, or storing snacks, use Better Sealer for guaranteed freshness. You'll get 2 large and 3 jumbo Better Sealers to seal all size bags for only $10 plus shipping and processing. As a free bonus, you'll also receive 2 Better Bag Seals. Stop fumbling with stubborn knots, twist ties that get lost, or plastic tabs that break. Simply fasten a Better Bag Seal onto bread bags, frozen veggie bags, any bag, to keep air out and fresh in. Yours free. But we're not done. Call now and we'll double the entire offer. That's 10 Better Sealers and 4 Better Bag Seals. Plus, we'll include 2 handy storage caddies, all for one low price. Separate shipping and processing applies to the second set. So snap your way to freshness. Call or click now to order.